Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to clean the sensors and cameras on MOVA Z60 Ultra. To clean the sensors and cameras, you should use a microfiber cloth. You can soak it in isopropyl alcohol if you have it. Just make sure it's isopropyl alcohol and not just any kind of alcohol, or water. But if you're using water, I recommend using a dry cloth afterwards in order to prevent any water stains. Now, the first, the camera on the front. You should clean it well, and on the sides of the camera, on the right and the left side, here on the inside part, there are the IR sensors, which should also get cleaned. Then on the right side of the robot, there's another IR sensor that should get cleaned. On the left side, there's no sensor. Then on the back of the robot, there is a sensor for the charging base, as well as charging pins, which should also get cleaned as you're already cleaning it. Then the last thing is 4 sensors on the bottom of your robot. As you can see, this is the first one on the side of the wheel. On the other side, on the other wheel, there's another sensor. These are clip sensors. They are very important to ensure your robot doesn't fall down. Even if you don't have stairs, you should clean them so the robot just doesn't misbehave. Now there are 2 other clip sensors here in the front. And on both sides of the omnidirectional wheel, and now it's cleaned. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.